So, hello Miss, hello everyone. My name is Irani Caremeo and I'm going to discuss my writing portfolio, which asks how to write an essay in a professional way. So, I learned how to write an essay and how my essay connect my course. And next one is the activity 2, which is about the story of Hemingway, wherein they teach or I learned on how to write a narrative essay and how to retelling the story of Hemingway. The next slide is about on an AI essay wherein it helped us or it helped me to figure out and identify the main thesis statement, the introductions, the main idea and the main topic of an AI essay. The next one is the activity 4, wherein creating an outline and how to identify and how to create a thesis statement, the main idea and the main topic itself. Number 5, it is a continuation of the outline that recently or previously that we create. So it is the first part wherein we create an essay that related to the outline. Number 6, wherein it is the drafting essay that we create and it present on or we learn and we teach on how we identify the main topic each paragraph and identify the summarization of each paragraph in the five words. Activity number 7, it is the peer evaluation or the evaluation of my classmate or the opinion and perspective of her to my writing essay or on the final essay that I create. Number 8, wherein I revise my whole essay. The AI essay that we create, it's all about giving suggestion to the AI or the essay that created by AI. Back of the drafting essay, wherein we explain and identify what our essay is trying to say. The next slide is the slide number 9, wherein it's all about the lesson that we discussed, or the reflection of myself on the academic communication subject, wherein I learned a lot of new things. I learned a lot of in the discussions, wherein I learned how to write the explanatory essay, the argumentative essay, the outline, and how to identify the AI essay or the essay that created by the AI, and how to write a thesis statement, and so on and so forth.